Look at the state of this. Greedy bastards. They bashed in the side of the flat, just the tower block's just there. Right, they've bashed in the balcony and whatever was there. Some of the accommodation things. Oh, that is just terrible. Sod off, bulldozers. Unless you're building social housing, get out of here. This is disgusting. Honestly, this needs to stop. Surprising they don't go demolishing the spider's web right here. Well, they probably would. Just don't give a shit. Right. So. Okay. Yep, that's the best way to do it. Can't really stick this through this fence here.